no gringo.
No gringo, Ringo.
It's Ringo.
Yeah.
And yeah, so you go and sell your art and your craft and them thing there.
Ringo's gift shop.
Same so. Right now the Blue Lagoon of Portland, yeah, so.
Right, yes, man.
Yeah, man. So tell the people some of the things that you have to say now.
Yeah, me have like some face mask, some masks, you know, for the wall, wall masks, and I have some shot glasses. Yes, and we do the original drum them from goat skin and bamboo, original pepper.
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah, and we make the good old pipe them for the.
So who make the drum them?
Yeah, I make the drum them.
You make the drum them?
We do work, man. Art and craft, we do a school, you know. So
oh, real?
Yeah, man, that's a natural thing, man.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, man, see that? And we have the good old chalice them for the coconut.
Whoa.
High grade, you know, the coconut shell, yeah, man.
Same so.
Mortar and pieces for the spice, them, you know, and the good mahogany wood. Iron wood, yeah, man.
And you carve that set speed?
Yes, man, I do the carving, man.
Same.
I learn things as a tradition.
Yeah, man. Who you say you learned it from your grandparents?
Yeah, man, grandparents. Yeah, man, it's a tradition thing, man.
Same.
This is how it grows, this is how it school with art and craft, you know, so we still carry through the work, same way.
And how long you there on your side, do you think?
32 years out there.
32 years.
Out of school, right back into the craft work.
Same. For real.
It's a joy, it's a pleasure to deal with this, you know.
Yeah, man, for real, man. For real.
Yeah.
And what kind of wood this?
Yeah, now on the
Maho.
Yeah, man, Maho.
See. And where you get Maho wood, you know?
Yeah, man, I have nothing down in the port there.
Oh, for real?
Enough Maho there, man.
Oh, for real. Same. Oh. People Jamaica uncut in a Portland, and we just go and check out Gringo thing, you know? Yeah, a Ringo. I go and check out Ringo no Gringo. Yeah, man, and see us how we have the map, set speed. Yeah, man. Everything. Yeah, man, for real. Yeah, man, for real, man.
People come in, man. Just come and check the Ringo, man. Always there at the Blue Lagoon.
Alright, tell the people the number so them can link you.
876-893-2450.
So 876-893-2450. 2450.
Yeah, and we also do the boat ride also.
Oh, for real, same.
Bamboo rafting, just come and just say Ringo.
So how long you had the bamboo rafting?
Actually the same amount of years.
Same 30 years?
Same. So full experience too, yeah.
Alright, blessed love, my brother. Yeah, man. Blessed love, man. Jamaica uncut, Portland, cut out.
Yes, man.
Same stuff. Bless up.